Hi, my name is David, and I'm going to walk you through how I solved the CSWA practice problem 6.6. So basically for this problem, I'll create this profile, half of this profile, and then revolve it about this horizontal line to create most of the solid, and then drill out this part by again creating a profile using lines and then doing a revolved cut in this case. So we'll start from the front plane. And I'm going to use a center line. Let's see, horizontal, so 82 will be the distance from the left side to the right side. And then we'll start making that profile just roughly. So up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, down, over, down, over, and down, and over, and down. Okay, hopefully that looks okay. Now we're going to start smart dimensioning. First we'll smart dimension horizontally. So we've got a distance of 7 here, distance of 10 here, 28 here, 42 here, and 55 here. That last one I need to move down. 72, okay. So 72. So we'll go here, oops, here to here is 72. And then the 82 we already have. Okay, so let's do the vertical smart dimensioning. So we're going to go ahead and click here to the center line. Now we're given, if we look, we're given the distance across the center line. So we're given the diameters, like from here to here is 8. So we want to get that distance across the center line. So basically from this line to a mirrored copy across the center line. And thankfully if you have a center line here, that it allows you to do that. And the first one we're going to have is a diameter of 20. So the distance across the center line is going to be 20. Okay, so all we have to do is move our mouse across the center line and it automatically makes that mirrored version. Click and hit 20. Great. And then we'll just start doing that for each one of these. So from here to here, across the center line, it looks like is 16. Here to here, across the center line, is going to be 26. And then it goes down to 20. And then it goes down again to 16. And then down to 12. And finally down to 8. Just make sure that for each one of these, oh, I already selected it. For each one of these, that you're actually going the distance across rather than just half the distance. It's easy to mess one of these up. It's a little bit cluttered. You could probably clean that up if you wanted to, but I'm not going to worry about that here. For now, I'm going to select everything. Whoops, get out of smart dimensioning. Select everything that we've done here and do a revolved boss base. Now it says the sketch is currently open because we drew a center line here, but it can automatically close the sketch by filling that in with the line, and that's fine. So it'll fill in with that line, do the revolution about that axis, and hit enter. We're good to go. All right, so then we just have one more thing to do, which is to drill out that hole. So once again, we'll go into the front plane, create a sketch, and then draw a little hole. So it needs to have a diameter of 5. So if we just draw half of it, we're going to go up 2.5, right 36. Then we're going to go out to this point, which we will smart dimension in later, that goes out to 38, and then close off that region. Okay, so let's go up 2.5. Make sure that I'm going up. Yep. Okay, 2.5. And then to the right, we're going to go 36. Then we'll just go down somewhere. We don't necessarily want to lock it in at a 45-degree angle because it might not be a 45-degree angle. And then we'll smart dimension this distance to 38. Okay, so that's the profile we want to do a revolved cut with. So we'll go ahead and do the revolved cut about this axis. And you can sort of make it out there. There we go. Hit enter, and we've drilled out that little hole. All right, so it looks like we're finished. Let's check our mass. Our volume. It's 21076. 21076 cubic millimeters. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for something a little bit more professional, look for a YouTube channel called Design With Roozbe. The guy does an awesome job at breaking down each practice problem. Highly recommend his channel. It really helped me out. I'm making these videos mostly because he hasn't quite gotten to these videos yet, these practice problems yet. And I know that there's a need out there. So take care and keep studying.